Tashidile, my name is Lhaksam. You are watching Lhaksam Media. As you know very well, these days Tibetan songs are getting more popular in China. You may have seen Tibetan dance to a Tibetan song, or you may have seen Chinese dance to a Chinese song, but have you ever seen Chinese dance to a Tibetan song? These are the Chinese ladies in New York City. Neither they are an organization nor somebody forced them to dance. They are enjoying a Tibetan song every single day in the park. Please have a look.
it's really natural. I love Tibet. I love Tibet people, and also my heart, right? I just think the type of people very peaceful. And we are living this neighbor, Amherst neighbor, a lot of type of people. You all the time to say hello, smiling. And also when I was a child, young children study when I was in school, I'm really learning the Chinese culture. So when we come to United States, I learning a lot. And the Chinese Communist Party, they always told them not a true story. So Tibet people are very peaceful, and they love their culture. They are really loyal. They are Dalai Lama. So I was a natural, just really interesting the Tibet music.